Hi, Ben here with Rally.
This is Kyle.
We're excited to continue showing you our social entrepreneurs from our most recent cohort. And our next one is David with Good Threads.
Yeah, David was a lot of fun to work with. It's obvious that he's super committed to that area of Haiti, and hopefully you'll see it in this presentation.
Hello, everyone. My name is David Palmer. I'm going to talk to you about Good Threads today. I started a nonprofit foundation in 2010 to help impoverished children. We had about 100 kids that would attend our center from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. While there, we'd give them 3 to 4 plates of food. We'd put them in school, give them educational reinforcement classes, as well as love and support. We were doing great work with the kids, but we kept losing kids as their parents would move away in search of work, or they would go through some trauma at home associated with not having any money at home. So we knew that if we wanted to help these children long term, we needed to employ their parents. So I started Good Threads, a needlepoint manufacturer and retailer. Good Threads is the only needlepoint manufacturer and retailer that has its own in-house stitching force. We're the only company in the industry with a strong social message, and we've grown about 65% annually from 2013 to 2019. I'm asking for $150,000 for 10% of the company, and I know that together we can continue to grow Good Threads and do good things for the people of Haiti. Thank you.
So I was really proud to get to work with David, and I'm excited to see what's next for Good Threads.